The next part of the process is to give our server a host name and also update our server's date and time settings. A host name is just another name for the server. It has nothing to do with your domain or website name. We could call the server anything we like. For example, you could name it after a planet or even your favorite car. We'll go ahead and name our server Saturn. To do so, type in echo Saturn in quotes, greater than sign, space, etc/hostname. Now type in hostname, space, etc, hostname. And that'll save the setting. Now we need to edit our host's file. Ubuntu comes with a built-in text editor called Nano. So to open your host file in Nano, type in nano etc hosts. And this is the file. Press the down arrow key twice and press enter. Now you're going to type in your IP address, your server's IP address. Press tab and type in the host name. And that's it. Now to exit, press Ctrl X. You're going to be prompted as to whether you want to save the changes. Type in Y and press enter. Now we'll set up our server's date and time zone. Type in the following: dpkg-reconfigure tzdata. An interface will appear where you can choose your geographic area. I'll select US, and for time zone, I'll select Eastern. So you can see that the local time has now been updated. It's Monday, February 8th, and 10:50. So that's it. We've now set up our host name and time zone for our server. To confirm that the correct date setting has been applied, type in date and press enter. And you can see the date displayed once again. Now just type in reset to clear the console.